Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to add digital signature in PDF. Digitally signing a PDF ensures your document's authenticity and security. Firstly, plug your eMudra USB crypto token into your computer if you're doing the PDF file from a USB token, or just you can open it like normally you would do. Open the PDF document you wish to sign and from the menu bar go to Tools, then Certificates. Click Open to access the certificate tools. You should now see a toolbar appear on your screen. On the new toolbar, you'll see several options like digitally sign, timestamp, and validate all signatures. Just click on digitally sign and when prompted, drag the cursor to select the area in your PDF where you want the signature to appear. A pop-up titled Sign with the digital ID will appear. Select your digital signature certificate from the list of available IDs, then click Continue. You'll now see your digital signature preview on the document. Adjust the appearance, size, or placement as needed, and once satisfied, just click Sign button. Now you'll be prompted to save the signed file. Choose a file name and location, then click Save. When asked, enter your DSC user PIN, then click Login. And now your digital signature will appear on the PDF, confirming that it has been securely signed with your certificate. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.